rice balls filled with meat sauce and Parmesan and ricotta. Hey, Rachael, Antonia Lofaso here, and I'm going to be making one of our most popular dishes at Scopa, Italian Roots, rice balls. They're filled with meat sauce and Parmesan and ricotta and peas, and I can't wait to show you how to make them. I've got already cooked arborio rice, risotto rice, that has been seasoned with just whole egg and Parmesan cheese. Then this is our meat sauce that we make at Scopa. It's a mixture of all of those beautiful scraps of dry aged beef they grind into sirloin and chuck. There's carrot, celery, and onion, red wine, tomato paste, and then obviously peas because I'm Sicilian. The trick to making a rice ball is keeping wet hands so that the rice that has been seasoned with the egg and the cheese doesn't stick to your hands. And then I take that rice and I like to say, just make a little bit of a well. So I go meat first into that well, and then some ricotta, just like that, mozzarella cheese, and that's basically our stuffing. Then I wet the back of my hand again because I'm going to use that as a mold to now cover the top. So nothing on my hands because all of that water is really helping that rice not stick. And just very, very aggressively press this together. And then my favorite part is this panko Parmesan cheese, garlic, parsley, breadcrumb, just like that, and then into a 350-degree fryer. Rice ball has been in the fryer for about 10 to 12 minutes. Good amount of tomato sauce at the bottom of the bowl, right there. And then just taking a rasper, kind of counterclockwise into the sauce, and then just finishing it with just a little bit of chopped Italian parsley. That's it. Rice balls from where I'm from in Long Island, New York, all the way to Los Angeles here at Scopa Italian Roots. People love it. Thanks, Rachael.
Thank you so much to Antonia, and you guys can spend more time with her. She's a competitor, Chef Antonia is a competitor on Food Network's Tournament of Champions. And that's Sundays at 8 o'clock on Food Network. And see how Antonia and other chefs have been working very hard to try and pivot and keep their restaurants and their businesses going during a pandemic. So many of my friends have told me their stories along those same lines. It's called Restaurant Hustle 2020, all on the line. And it is available now, streaming, of course, on Discovery Plus.